Glowing face with a beautiful skin is what every woman desires. It makes them stunning and attractive. But due to the pollution and harsh environment, maintaining glowing and radiant skin is become difficult day by day. Facial and spa treatments are good for refreshing and rejuvenating your skin. They are expensive and time taking. No need to worry. In this video, I am going to tell you simple home remedy that can provide you with the same benefits but the cheaper cost at the comfort of your home. Ice facial is a common Korean beauty trend. This is done to make your skin smooth, glowing throughout the season. The following are the benefits of running an ice cube on your skin. Number 1. Your skin is becoming glowing and radiant. Ice massage causes the blood vessels, facial skin to shrink, reducing blood supply when temperature comes to its normal. The blood vessels dilute and flush your skin with increased circulations. This improves the oxygenation and nutrition supply to your skin and make it glow with radiance. Number 2. It reduces inflammations and acne. The ice cube application causes a reduction in inflammation and redness. This reduces your acne bumps and redness. It also causes reduction in sebum production, resulting in lesser acne eruption. Number 3. It closes open pores. Washing your face to keep your pores clean, but it also opens the pores. Make a habit of applying ice cube on your face after face wash. This shrinks the open pores and reduces the chances of clogging. Number 4. It increases the absorption of products. If you want to increase the absorption rate of your skin rare product like serum and creams, then you should rub ice cube over it. The constrictive effect of cold on the blood vessels increase the permeability of the skin. It causes the products to absorb at the higher rate. Number 5. It reduces under eye bags, inflammatory condition and acne, excess stress and strain may cause under eye bags. The most simple and best way to get rid of it to rub an ice cube over it. This place an ice cube under the eye and move in the circular motion. Number 6. It helps reduce of wrinkles and fine lines. Regular application of ice cubes on your face help reduce the existing fine lines and prevent wrinkles. Age can't be prevented, but regular application of ice helps in fighting aging. Symptoms to keep your skin younger for longer duration. I'm confident that you must try this remedy yet effective of skincare and share it with your friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, then must like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.